Hi, everybody. It's Diane Neto living in Barrie. And I have seen a couple articles about the 2024 housing predictions. And I found one that seems quite accurate because so far they're correct. So I'm going to share the article with you here. And I think a lot of people don't realize that we're already in a major slowdown. And it started like last year. So it's already kind of been bad. So what they're saying in the article, and I don't think really people realize this, the pace of home sales in Ontario 2023 hit lows not seen the turn of the century. And with little evidence that mortgage rates will drop significantly anytime soon, forecasts are predicting the sluggishness to continue into early 2024. While prices have dropped from the pandemic-driven highs, the combination of high interest rates and buyers waiting for prices to tumble further has created a slow sales market throughout much of the province. The number of homes in the Greater Toronto area in 2023 is on track to be lower than in any year since 2001, when the region's population was roughly 25% smaller than it is today. So 2023 was already way lower than it has been in 25 years. So like the market is already very slow, obviously. And 2024 so far is even slower. The latest figures available show the number of homes sold across Ontario last year to be down nearly 13% from the previous year. And so they interviewed 3 different experts to see what their thoughts were. General consensus was that sales volumes will remain sluggish in the first part of 2024 until or unless mortgage rates come down significantly or sellers start accepting lower bids. The general trend we're probably going to see is one of continued stagnation. And he doubts that the mortgage rates will drop quickly enough or low enough to jolt reluctant buyers off the sidelines in the early part of 2024. So that's exactly what's happened. He was correct. So the prices aren't going down a huge bunch. The interest rate hasn't gone down at all. And even if it goes down a little bit, it's still not going to help people qualify. So we're in stagnation. And it definitely, in 2024, the sales have continued to decline. You see a little bit of pop here and there, couple weeks, and then we go right back to nothing. So president of this, John, I don't even know. Sellers have yet to bring down their asking prices deeply enough to offset the increased borrowing costs that buyers face. Well, the issue is most people, or a lot, have paid more because of that upswing in COVID. They can't even go a lot lower, right? TD economist Rishi Sandhi predicts sales volumes to remain relatively low in the coming year, although better than what the numbers were in 2023. So far, that is not true. He thinks that the bottom has probably been reached. Sales level were just so darn low in Ontario in 2023, it's hard to go lower from there. There's not a lot of consensus on what will happen with prices, in part because of supply and demand factors that are expected to have conflicting effects. For instance, while decade high mortgage rates are suppressing demand, rapid population growth is pushing it upward, and new construction isn't keeping pace. So some people are saying that there's going to be an increase in price. And some people say there's going to be a 3% decrease in price. Some people say the buyer sentiment will have a significant impact. So, and the new home construction forecast too slow. Well, of course, a lot of the times, builders and developers in times of slow times like this, they don't want to, they don't even want to build right now because they're not going to get the best price. So they put put things on hold, right? So basically what they're saying is they don't really know price-wise what's going to happen. If interest rates don't get lowered significantly, then we're still going to see a slowdown. And 2023 was the worst in 25 years. So unfortunately, 2024 so far still looks even worse. Like our numbers are worse. The market isn't picking up or rebounding. And then we have the minister of the, all the economic people in the government saying, well, if we increase interest rates, we're going to have this big housing war again, and the prices are going to go through the roof again. So now we're scared to drop interest rates. So nobody really knows where it's going, but we know it's not going to be great. And right now, we're still seeing 2023 stuff. It's still sluggish. It's still slow. And it's not great. If you like my stuff, hit the like, subscribe, or drop me a comment if you want me to answer any questions. And I'm hoping that we see some good things starting to happen, because 2024 is sucking.